is accounting? As defined by the American Institute of Certified Public Accountants, it is the art of recording, classifying, and summarizing in a significant manner and in terms of money, transactions, and events which are in part at least financial character and interpreting the results thereof. If we break the definition into various parts, the first step is identification of a transaction, whether it is financial or not. If it is a financial transaction, the next step is recording or journalizing. After that, we classify every journal into its own ledger. Then we summarize at the end of the year into something called as trial balance. And lastly, we interpret the results of the above steps in the form of profit and loss account and balance sheet. So the first thing about the definition was identification. Therefore, only transactions which are of financial character are recorded. Let's take this example. Let's say a particular school admits about 15 students for a term. Out of those 15, let's say, only 13 are able to pay the school fees, and the school grants exemption for the remaining 2 students from paying the fees. Let's say those 13 students pay fees of 50,000 each. In that case, only the fees paid by those 13 students would be recorded in the books of accounts, whereas the act of admitting 2 students free of cost would not be recorded in the books of accounts, as it's a transaction which is not of financial character. Is accounting really an art? Art requires application of mind, and if we go by the definition, in a way, yes, accounting is also an art because it requires the creative judgment of application of various rules and principles. In fact, it's nothing but common sense, wherein we have to apply a particular rule for a particular transaction. In the next video, we'll go in detail as to the various rules of accounting.